Unpacking list. Install the front screws and tighten the 3 screws one by one. Insert the rear shaft into the square shaft hole. Insert the cotter pin in the side direction and fix it. Unbend the foot. Use the opening template to position and draw. Lines on the door frame in trappening holes. According to the positions, install the lock mortise, can adjust size to be 60 or 70 millimeters. Install the front panel, install the rubber pads, and insert the square shaft into the hole. Install the rear bottom plate, put the bottom rubber pads into the back bottom plate, and fix the front panel with screws. Put the cable into the rear plate. Correctly load 4AA batteries accordingly, and check whether the power is normal. Install the rear panel. Debug, press down the front handle to confirm the freeze state. Press down the handle can open the door normally. Enter the initial password on the front panel. Press down the handle can open the lock normally. Open the door by a mechanical key. Press the button on the front handle cover. You will find the keyhole. Insert the key in turn. Then press down the handle to open the door normally. Set the master password. Enter hash +12345 plus hash to enter the setting mode. Enter 11 hash in the new master password plus hash. Enter the master password plus hash again for confirmation. Add the password user. Enter the new master password plus hash to enter the setting mode. Enter 01 plus hash to confirm, and enter user number 01299 plus hash to confirm. Enter the user password plus hash to confirm. Enter the start time plus hash to confirm and the end time plus hash to confirm. Password door opening operation. Enter the user password plus hash to confirm. Press the handle to open the door, indicating that the password is set successfully.